active user sessions are managed in two main areas of the MC system. Once already inside the MRO, or this main MC system, go to Tools in the top left of your browser, scroll down to Members, and click Active Licensed Members. This will open a new window showing all sessions using a license, along with the length of time until they're automatically logged off. You can remove sessions by single-clicking on the user you want to kick out of the system and click Remove. Note that you may see the same user listed multiple times in this list. It's common if the user has multiple sessions running or if they didn't use the log off button to end their session. From outside the MRO and more easily accessible via a mobile device, the Session Manager portal allows you to remove sessions for both users logged into the main software as well as our mobile application, MC Express. For systems hosted on the Accruent cloud servers, the Session Manager is accessed through sessions.maintenanceconnection.com. This will look similar to the MC Express login page, but it is easily distinguished by the title Session Manager. Systems that are self-hosted will need to adjust the URL a little bit to reflect their server name, as demonstrated in the article referenced in the video description below. Once logged in, click the red X next to the name of the user you'd like to remove to end their session. Finally, if you try to log into the system but are met with the licensed users exceeded error, you may have the option to remove any of your old sessions at that time. Click the session you would like to remove, then the Remove button, and after clicking Close, click the Retry button. If you don't see any of these tools mentioned in this video, or if you're unable to log into the Sessions Manager, please speak to your internal system administrator about adjusting your access group rights.